Hey friends, I'm quickly going to show you how you can add resources to your Clever Teacher page. So the first thing you want to do, you just want to log into the Clever portal, use your Google account, and it will log you in, and you will be able to see your class and the resources that you can add once you click in here. I already started making a couple links. So what you want to do once you're in your page, you're going to click add. You can either add a category, such as Digital Passport, Common Sense Media, or Math, or ELA, whatever you want to title your category, and then you can add links and apps underneath. So let's say I want to add an app. You can search through, there's a whole bunch of over 100 resources, and you can add in whichever ones you want your students to access. But if you want to, say, create your own, like I am doing here, all you're going to do is click add, and you're going to select link. So I'm putting direct links to these Common Sense Media games for students. So what I want to do first is go to the one that I want to share. So I've done the first three. I'm going to move on to this Evolve. If I click on it, it's going to take me to the game itself. I'm going to come up to the top and copy this URL. And then I'm going to go back into my Clever page. And I'm going to paste that URL for Evolve right there. And I'm going to title my link the name of the game, Evolve. And I'm going to put it under the category Digital Passport. If I wanted it to just be a regular resource, I could change this to put My Class Resources, or if you have an ELA category, you could type ELA or Math, etc. So what I'm going to do now, I want to upload a picture, because these are the only pictures that they let you pick for your links. And for my little friends, sometimes it's easier if they can actually see a picture. So when I went on here, I just right-clicked on it and saved image as. And down here, I just named it Evolve and saved it to my desktop. And if I go to you can see on my desktop all of those images. So in order to insert it, I'll just come back here, click upload, and then I'll go to my desktop, and here is Evolve. I'll open that, and then I'm just going to click add link, and now you can see that that's here. I'll show you again quickly. I'm going to add a link. I'm going to come back here. The next one I want to do is Surfshark. So I'm going to go to that game and copy the URL at the top. And I'm going to save the image to my desktop, which I already did. I'm going to come back into here, and I'm going to paste the URL. I'm going to change the link name to Surfshark. And I'm going to upload the picture. And then I add my link. And there we go. And then when the students go in, it's just as simple. If they click on that link, it's going to open them right to the page that they're trying to go to. I hope that helps.